Hey everyone! Zooming in is a great way to make our videos more lively and interesting. Instead of leaving the footage still, using zooms can help us highlight key details, show emotions, and keep our viewers engaged. Even a small zoom can make our video look much more professional. In this video, we will show how to zoom in on our clips using CapCut. Whether we want a smooth cinematic zoom, a quick punch-in, or a dramatic pause, this guide will help us learn the basics and use them easily in our edits. Zooming in helps guide our viewers' attention. When we zoom into something, we show exactly what we want them to notice, like a facial expression, an important object, or a specific movement. In CapCut, we can zoom in a few ways. We can use our fingers to pinch and zoom, changing the size of our clip. Or we can use keyframes to make a smooth zoom over time. Keyframes help us decide when the zoom starts, how fast it moves, and when it stops. This makes our pacing better. If a clip feels too slow or still, a gentle zoom can make it more interesting and cinematic. A quick zoom can add excitement, humor, or drama. The important thing is to keep the movement smooth and natural, so it adds to the video instead of distracting from it. Now, let's go through the steps to zoom in and out in CapCut in a simple way. First, open CapCut. Once we are in CapCut, click Create Project. Once we are in Create Project, let's add our media. Let's use this video as an example. After importing, let's drag it to our layer. To zoom in on our video, just click the part where we want to focus. The first thing to do is add a keyframe if we want. If we know about keyframes, these little diamonds are our keyframes. To add a zoom, just adjust the scale to zoom in, then add another keyframe to zoom out. For example, here we zoom out by adding a keyframe and changing the scale. When we finish, we can play the video to see the zoom effect. Let's play and check our zoom. That's how we add a zoom. We just need to adjust the position and set the scale and settings. Once we finish, we know how to zoom in and out on CapCut. Zooming in CapCut is simple but powerful. It can make our videos better by guiding attention, telling a clearer story, and adding movement to still shots. As we practice, we can try both slow zooms and quick punch-ins to see what works best for us. The more we use scaling and keyframes, the more control we get over our edits.